the x, right? Good. That is the x. This is where the x is. I did my extension this way. This is how I did my extension. So watch. I can choose to use this method. Since we are using parallel line principle, watch here. This is where top left. This is also top left. Therefore, here might also be what, 70. Do you agree? If this is 70, 70 plus 70 plus here, so you can choose to represent by what? Y. So I can say y plus 30 plus 70 must give me what? 180. So the 30 plus 70 will give us what? 100. What is left to make a triangle? 80. So here is what? 80. If this is 80, and that x will play straight line principle. So x plus 80 must give me what? 180. Which is straight line principle. Therefore, x is what? 100. I can also choose to say this plus this must give me, plus this one must give me 180. So here is what? 80. The moment I get here to be 80, it means here is 100. Straight line principle. Then this is also corresponding with that. So give me the same 100. You get the picture? So the answer is 100. X equals 100. Good. Question 5. Find the value of x. Watch. What I see, I am seeing vertically opposite angles. Therefore, watch. This angle is vertically opposite to that. Scissors. If you watch the video. So if here alone is 60, and I need here, it means if I subtract it from 130, that is the answer. Or in paper 2, you can say x plus 60 degrees must be equal to 130. We said vertical opposite angles are equal. Scissors. Do you remember in the video? Beautiful. So for that reason, x is equal to 130 degrees minus 60 degrees equal to what we have? 70 degrees. So the answer is 70. Beautiful. Isn't that nice? Good. This one too is asking you to find the value of x. Find the value of x. Right. So watch me. I can choose to pull the x here. If this is x, this is vertical opposite. So here's also x. Then I use this straight line principle. So I can say x plus 25 degrees plus 85 degrees must give me 180. Isn't it? Yes, straight line. I put this one here. So like I said, there are spaces there are angles the examiner will not ask you for. But getting them will make the work easier for you. Therefore, you find them to help you get it. So I pictured straight line here, that if I get this empty angle, I'll use this one as straight line. And that is exactly what I did. So it means, so x is equal to 180 minus 25 plus this is what? This is 90, 110. If it is 110, then x is equal to what? 70 degrees. So x equals 70 degrees. Am I right here? Am I right? Let me see. This plus this will give me what? 90. 90 plus this 110. So it is 70 degrees. 180. I can also choose to bring 85 here. Can you see? This is vertical opposite to that. So this is 85 degrees. Then I use this straight line. So x plus 85 plus 25 equal to 180. It's the same equation. Simple. So mathematics, don't say the examiner did not ask me for that space, especially plane geometry or angles and circuit theorem principle. That's why most students fail that particular subject. Why? They think the examiner did not ask for that empty space, so there's no need for them. Get that empty space to help you get another principle and apply. Hello? Have you gotten the key? Perfect. So that's it. Good. The question is asking for the value of x over here. What are you seeing? One, I'm seeing isosceles triangle because of these 2 marks. Yes. It means these angles are equal. So if here alone is 40, what is left for them to share? 180 minus 40. Yes. Because it must be 180. Total must 1, 2, 3 must be 180. So if here alone is 40, it will remain 140 to share. So 140, they will share it equally into 2, which will be 70 each. So in paper 2, you represent here by x, there by x. So you say x plus 40 must give me 180 degrees. So 2x equals 180 minus 40. 2x equals 140. Divide here by 2, here by 2. X equals 70 degrees. So this angle is 70 degrees. That angle is also 70 degrees. But per one, you can easily calculate with your calculator. You know that I divide by 2 equally for them because it's isosceles. So now, what else am I seeing? I'm seeing exterior angle from principle 1. And I'm also seeing what? Straight line principle. This is the straight line principle. 70 plus 13x minus 20 equals 180. So I can say this. It will give me the same answer. Straight line. From here to here, straight line. Then I can also see the interior exterior property of triangle. The two interior angles of a triangle sum up to the exterior opposite to it. So either of them will give you the correct answer. So there are so many options for you to choose. The one you see first, apply and go. So there must be a principle we have learned from the video to apply. So let's see. So let me use this one. X plus 40. I'm using the sum of two interior angles equal to the external opposite to it. Plus 40 equal to 13x minus 20. So let's group like terms. So when I group like, I get x minus, because the 13 is coming here, group crossing the border to this side. So it becomes what? Minus 13x equal to, this is already minus 20. 40 is coming as well, minus 40. So here I get minus 12. Do you agree? This minus that, minus 12. You are owing 13 and you have only one to pay. You still owe that. So minus 12x equals to minus 60. Divide here by minus 12. Take note. Minus 12. Also here by minus 12. Minus 12. So x is equal to, the minus cancels minus. Look at 12 we divided how many times? 12, 5, 60. So x equals, is it 60? Is here 60? X equals 5. Is that correct? Let me see. Sorry for that. Very sorry. This is supposed to be 70, not 40. I used it mistakenly. So let me do the corrections over there. Okay, so sorry for that. So it's supposed to be like here, I represented here by what? We got here to be 70 and was 70. You get it? So it's supposed to be 40 plus 70, right? That's interior angle. The sum of two interior angles equal to the exterior, equal to 13x minus 20. So let's go. This plus this will give us what? 110, right? Equal to 13x minus. So if I have to go further, I'll get what? 13x, that's negative. If I'm bringing it to this side, 13, negative 13x equal to minus 20 minus 110 degrees, right? Good, minus 110 degrees. So I get 13x equal to minus 110, and that will give me what? Minus 130. This minus, sorry. So here by 13, here also by what? 13. 13 cancels 13 once. So x equals what? 10. So the answer is 10. Okay. Take note of that. Very good. In this question, it said, in the diagram below, right? The circles, the figure below shows 3 circles which touch each other. X, Y, and Z are centers of the circle. The circle with the center Y and are equal radii. If he doesn't even tell you that they have equal radii, you should. Good. So he told you they have equal radii, and it's true, even by observation. So if they are equal, watch. So if examiner tells you gives you certain properties and he doesn't give you numbers to represent, right? Or he uses variable to represent, use your own numbers to determine the relative. So if it is true that this and that are equal, if this is 1, that must be 1. Therefore, here must be 1, here must be 1. And if this is bigger than that, because this triangle circle is bigger than